It has been an awesome experience. I'm getting to do things which I could have only imagined doing had I not been in here.
We are in Virginia Tech Academic Building 1, and we have a lab called Brain-Inspired Computing, Communication, and Security, BRICS Lab. We have the capability to well equipped with the probe station. So this probe station is one of the most advanced probe station for integrated circuit chip measurements and testing. My students are very excited about this probe station because this probe station has the capability to measure nanometer, micrometer chips. We also have various of FPGA boards and all the testing equipment.
I'm very happy about what I'm doing right now in terms of research, because we are working on new type of architecture regarding artificial intelligence. I'm working with neuromorphic chips, with neuromorphic hardware, an excellent experience for my career, for myself. Awesome.
Virginia Tech really helps me prepare what I need to either go into the academia or industrial after I graduate. Not just the new equipment we purchased, but also like the people in the group also really helpful.
This is a great opportunity for me to do research, teaching, and service. I hope more and more students will be interested in circuits and systems.
It's always important to have a very supportive group, and I found that in the BRICS lab over here, there's a diverse group of students from different places around the world. You get to share food, culture, and most importantly, you get good ideas for pushing your research as a PhD.